I like my mum. I like my dad. I like my dog. I like my cat. I like my toys. I like my friends. I like my teacher. I like my book. I like my bed. I like my cap. I like my dollhouse. I like my puzzle. I like my bag. I like my red hat. I like my small car. I like my bicycle. I like my family. I like my blocks. I like my ball. I like my doll. I like my sister. I like my brother. I like my garden. I like my pencil. I like my lunch. I like my grandma. I like my grandpa. I like my blue cup. I like my teddy bear. I like my school.